Octobot helped us take my dream and vision of what we wanted to deliver and put that into a real tangible software and deliver real value back to our customers. Hi, I'm Mark Dornick, VP of Product Management here at VES-Artex. At VES-Artex, we scientifically engineer the environment in which the dairy animal lives and brought that to the cloud in a cloud-based program. The product that Octobot delivered, we call it Dairy Boss, is really a special and unique product. And BOSS is BOS, Barn Operating System, to help put that power of control into the hand of the owner or the manager. In some of my previous jobs, I've worked with outsourced development teams and have found good ones in the past. And actually some were really good and I thought I would never be able to replace. When I found Octobot, I was able to replace them, and there was subtle things that made the difference. Some of that is communication, but also a flat organization where I knew at any point in time I could call up the CEO or the CTO or the CFO and just have a level of conversation I need to have right at the top level. We had this concept for quite a while, and we decided to build it because we needed to differentiate in the market. Dairy Boss is emerging and on several farms already. Some of the early feedback we've got from users is that they love it. It's intuitive and easy to use. It scales from their desktop to their iPhone and just super easy. They can control access to it. It's all their information in the palm of their hand. So the early feedback is it's great. In our original project plan, we had decided that we would use an outsourced development team and hire in-house developers. As our partnership and relationship grew with Octobot, I've been able to delay the hiring of in-sourced resources because I can fully trust the delivery and the quality and the timing that comes from Octobot. Octobot helped us take my dream and vision of what we wanted to deliver and put that into a real tangible software and deliver real value back to our customers. Octobot did that through clear, honest communication, speedy, on-time delivery, and the care and attention to detail to learn our industry. If anybody's looking for a great development partner, I'd highly recommend using Octobot.